doing a new one. What are we doing? We're playing with, what are we playing with? We're playing with monster trucks.
See these guys?
So we are gonna race these guys and see who's gonna make it to the finish line. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Okay, are you ready? So we're gonna do 3 at a time. So you're gonna do mommy does 2 and you do 1. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, I think the green one won. Oh, mommy went right off the table. You picked blue? Awesome. You got the blue one. What cars are you going to pick this time to race?
2 green cars.
The 2 green ones. Okay, that sounds good. So mommy will get these guys. All right. Okay, so we got to wind them up. Ready? Set, go. Oh, both of mommy's cars just stopped. Oh.
I picked it over.
So we got them all together, and what are we gonna do now? You're gonna roll them down the box?
Yeah.
This is Ashton's idea, so we're gonna try it out. Let's try it out.
Garbage.
So the excavator's gonna clean up the garbage? Okay. Excavators. Excavator. The excavator. Yeah, they're a little bit too big, huh? The trains work really well. There, do 1. There you go. 1 car. You got 1. Awesome. We found our dump truck, our foliage sand, but it's gonna have to do for now. And Ashton is putting it in the dump truck. Yeah. What are you doing? You're cleaning this mess? That's perfect. I don't like messes, so that's really helpful. Oh yeah. Blue one, beep, beep. Oh, that's okay. Takes practice. I love the sound effect. Oh, awesome. Look at that. So you filled them all up. So you cleaned up all the garbage for mommy. Good job. Clean up all the wrecked cars, and now they're gonna go to the dump. Right? Put them in there. Ooh, to the garbage. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.